Hi, this is Tom Blodgett from Jende Industries, and today I'd like to introduce the Jende 4x10 diamond lapping plate. So first, the dimensions of the diamond lapping plate. 90 centimeters high by 250 wide, which is about 10 by 4 roughly. And it's 1 centimeter thick, so it's about 3/8 of an inch thick. It's definitely hefty, sturdy, and flat. So the design here is squares that are laid out in a diamond pattern, and in between you see there's space here, negative space. This is like a trough, and that allows for runoff when you're lapping stones, and it also prevents stiction from the finer grit stones. So you can lap all grit stones up to 30,000 grit on this plate, and it won't stick. The plate is nickel plated, so it's not going to rust. And what sets our plate apart is that it's the quality of the electroplate. That's what matters with these diamond plates. It's the quality. So diamonds will wear down when you use them. However, they won't fall off. And that's the most important thing, longevity for these. Enough talk. Let's go see how this thing works. All right, so this is the diamond lapping plate here. I've been using this for about 2 months. So when you first get the diamond plate, it is super aggressive. This has been broken in a little bit, so it's definitely calmed down a bit. However, it's all the same usage throughout. So I don't recommend doing your 10K stone as your first stone for lapping. So start off, I've got my stone soaking. I'm going to use a 600 grit stone. And I'm just going to draw a pencil grid mark here. Now I've worn the stone basically in this area here. It's worn down. All right, I pre-soaked it nice and wet. Put some water on here. You must use water with the diamond plates for the lapping. You have to use water. Okay, there, dip it in. Good to go. Pop it on. You see the stuff's coming off. It's not building up. It's not turning into a thick paste. This stone dries out pretty quick. So we're removing a lot of that watermark. So just keep that wet. How long it takes to lap a stone depends on just the severity of the stone situation, you know, and then how hard the stone is. So a lot of factors in that, but diamond plates are very quick and fast. So this stone was pretty good dished. Now it's flat again. All right, now comes the part about the stiction. This is why the troughs are here again. So I've got an 8K Suhiro aluminum oxide, the white one. So this has been used. So get it good and wet because it is a thirsty stone. That's one thing that attributes to stiction. So you can lap it on the plate or the plate on the stone. In this case, I'm already situated this way, so I'm just going to lap it on the plate this way. So 8,000 grit likes to get clogged up and likes to stick to diamond plates very much so. So yeah, I'm just still going. There's no stiction at all, right? The only surface tension is the water holding it. It's not getting bogged down. It's just peeling off all that stone. It was flat a long time ago. Okay, then rinse off the plate. A little bit of water, comes right off. It's not even sticking to the plate. See that? Barely any pressure on the water. Rinses right down. If you do get more stuff on there, like I've got a little bit of the 10K lodged in there, which is not uncommon for the 10K Chaucera. And this is by no means a lot. I've seen a lot worse on some other plates. So we just can use a nylon bristled brush. Get on there. It won't wear down the diamonds because diamonds are really tough. Nylon is not. Clean off your plate. Good to go. Rinse it down. There you go. Comes over here. All right, so that is the Jende 10x4 or 4x10 diamond lapping plate and how to use it. Please like and subscribe. Hope you liked the video. Check out our other videos here and links, and check the description for the links to where to find this lapping plate. Thank you.